How to delete Grand War 4 account step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to remove your progress or leave the game completely on Grand War 4, then the account deletion process is straightforward. First of all, launch open your Grand War 4 game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar. Now, once you do that, in the expanded menu, you'll see the delete account button. Simply tap on that. Now, go ahead and click on this confirm deletion button if you want to confirm your deletion. Remember that if you do not log in into the game within 30 days after confirming the account deletion, all of your saved data will be deleted. If you're sure you'd like to delete, make sure this box is checked and then click on delete account. Right after you do that, your account deletion will be scheduled. If you log into your Grand War 4 game within 30 days period, you'll be able to access back to your account again. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.